Hello everyone. If you have ordered something from Temu and need to track it, I will show you how to easily find your delivery or tracking number. First, open the Temu app on your phone and make sure you are logged in with the account used to place the order. From the home screen, tap on the Me tab at the bottom right, then select My Orders to see all your past and current orders. Now scroll through your orders and find the one you want to track. Tap on it to open the order details. In the order details, you will see the tracking number listed along with the shipping carrier. Now you can tap on the number to track the shipment directly in the application. And that's it. Now you know how to find the tracking number for your Temu orders. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.